I'm Jon Larson, Technical Trainer for Surface and Exploration Drilling, Epiroc USA. Today we're going to be talking about dust collection fan speed on a PowerROC T45. Couple of things to note: you'll need a phototachometer, reflective tape for the phototachometer, a 13mm wrench, and fall protection as required. To adjust the fan speed for the dust collector, we're going to use this flow control valve right here. We need to loosen the nut, increase or decrease the fan speed. The desired speed is 4,200 RPM. To know we're at 4,200 RPM, we remove the bolt for the sight glass window, affix photoelectric tape, and use a phototachometer to read the fan speed. When that's achieved, we can lock this nut back down, reinstall the bolts, and we're done. If you need further assistance from these videos, please go to the website epiroc.us. That's epiroc.us. Or make note of our toll-free 1-844-437-4262. Or contact your local service center that's by Epiroc or your dealer.